Alright, so I've been trying out this Emoji AI app, and it's actually pretty interesting. Emoji AI is an AI companion platform where you can create and interact with customized virtual characters. Imagine something like ChatGPT but with personality, appearance, deep customization, and a more relationship-focused dynamic. You can design your AI companion's look, personality traits, and conversation style. The AI remembers past chats and develops its responses over time based on how you interact. Conversations feel impressively natural, and the AI adjusts fairly well to your communication habits. The interface is clean, and the character creation tools are detailed without being too complicated. Here's the catch, though. It runs on a subscription model with a limited number of free messages. The premium tier costs around $10 to $15 per month, unlocking unlimited chats and more advanced customization options. The AI responses are solid, but at times they can feel somewhat generic or repetitive. It's entertaining for casual conversation and roleplay. But don't expect truly groundbreaking or deeply individualized AI here. Bottom line, if you enjoy AI companions and don't mind a monthly fee, Emoji AI offers decent virtual interactions. Keep realistic expectations about how authentic it feels. If this helped you decide, consider subscribing. I try out apps like this so you know which ones are worth your time.